What's the meaning of belly flop? Belly flop. Belly flop.
Belly flop. Belly flop. A belly flop is a type of diving technique that involves landing flat on one's stomach in the water, causing a large splash. This technique is typically used for comedic effect or as a last resort when a diver is unable to execute a proper dive. The term can also be used more broadly to describe any situation where someone fails spectacularly, often with painful consequences. For example, if someone attempts to jump over a hurdle but instead crashes into it and falls to the ground, they could be said to have belly flopped. Overall, the term connotes a lack of skill or grace, and often results in embarrassment or injury.